Assalamu alaikum ji everyone. We welcome you all on the platform of Pakistan Superior Services Online Academy. Today we are going to discuss the solved MCQs of Current Affairs CSS 2022. Let me apprise you of the information that this Academy, Pakistan Superior Services Online Academy, not only teaches these compulsory subjects like Islamiyat, Current Affairs, Pakistan Affairs, and General Science and Ability, but also helps you to solve the MCQs and retain the MCQs of different subjects, in which helps you in cracking down the general recruitment and passing these tests. Okay, so carrying the discussion further, we are these 20 MCQs were given in the paper of CSS Current Affairs. We are now going to solve them. So the question number one was the book Pakistan, a Hard Country was written by, four options are given, Anatole Levin, Daniel Markey, and Dalwood, or none of these. So the correct option here is option A, which is Anatole Levin. I must say about this book that Anatole has written this book in the context that Pakistan being having having enemies on its neighbor also surviving, and it's even though this country is facing different kind of challenges, even though today we also witness that Pakistan is going through certain challenges, but it is certain that Pakistan is going to face and becoming a great country. So this is the context that Anatole has complimented Pakistan that it is a hard country overall. Moving on towards the next question, the book The Great Illusion was written by, the correct option is option B, Norman Angell. Question number 3 is the book No Higher Honor was written by, four options were given, so the correct option is Condoleezza Rice. Question number 4 is the book Sapiens was written by. The book Sapiens was written by, so the correct option is Yuval Noah Harari. And I must add that another great book written by this author by Yuval Noah Harari is the 21 Lessons of 21st Century. I recommend all that you must read this book if you are interested in word paper or even in CSS or any other kind of commissions. Okay. So the fifth question or the MCQ is Article Dash of the Constitution of Pakistan deals with vote of no confidence against Prime Minister of Pakistan. This is the issue we were witnessing around 1 month or two. All media was captured by this only issue, vote of no confidence, in which the PM, the former PM of Pakistan, Imran Khan, became the victim of a vote of no confidence, and he was the only prime minister in the history of Pakistan against which vote of no confidence became successful. Overall, I must add, overall 3 vote of no confidence was introduced against the PM, against the 3 PM of Pakistan, and this was the first move which became successful. So coming to the point, the correct option here is Article 95 of the Constitution of Pakistan deals with the vote of no confidence against Prime Minister. Question number 6 is Dash session of Council of Foreign Minister of OIC was held in Islamabad in March 2022, in which our PM, also a former PM Imran Khan, also addressed the session. That was the 48th session of Council of Foreign Minister. Here I must add that there is a difference between the Council of Foreign Minister of OIC and Council of Head of State of OIC. Many people were confusing that Pakistan has organized or held second OIC conference. The first, which was the overall second summit of OIC held in Lahore, and first one, that was the first one in Pakistan, but it was the only, or it is the only summit, head of state summit OIC held in Pakistan, and this is the foreign minister. Head of state is captured by the head of state council is captured by the government, head of state and government, like PMs and presidents of member countries, but in this council only foreign minister take part. Okay, so this was the 48th session of Council of Foreign Pakistan, for Foreign Minister of OIC. Acha ji, 7th, Mariupol is the name of a city of, the correct option is Ukraine. Kautilya was the chief advisor of, the correct option is option A, Emperor Chandragupta Maurrya. It is quite and difficult to pronounce it. So the question number 9 is CIS is a regional organization situated in Central East. So the correct option is B. The 10th question is name of present Chinese foreign minister is. It is none other than Wang Yi. The correct option is option A. Okay. The highest of world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, UAE, it is about 828 meters, and it is the highest world tallest building. Question number 12 is, Dash is the current US Secretary of State. There are the 4 options: Mike Pompeo, Antony Blinken, Lloyd Austin, or none of these. The correct option here is Antony Blinken. Here I may inform you that Mike Pompeo was the former Secretary of State in the Trump administration, and Lloyd Austin is the Defense Secretary of State, Defense Secretary in this current administration, which is Biden administration. Acha, US Secretary of State nomenclature is changed. He plays the role of foreign minister. So in other words, you can say that foreign minister of the United States of America is Antony Blinken. The great Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan died on 10th October 2021. The correct option is C. Question number 14. Squash legend Jahangir Khan won dash matches in row. It is 555 matches in a row. A living legend in the sports history. The headquarter of ECO, ECO stands for Economic Cooperation Organization, is in Tehran, which is the capital of Iran. Total membership of European Union, or total members of European Union, are 27. Before, the United Kingdom was a part of, or the member of European Union, the total number comprised of 28. The current president of UN General Assembly is, the current option is Abdullah Shahid. 18th question, the currency of Norway is Norwegian Krone. So the correct option is option A. The 19th question is total membership of SAARC. SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So the total membership of this organization is 8. Previously it was 7, but now Afghanistan was also added in this member of this organization. I would name all the member countries: Pakistan, India, Nepal, Maldives, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. So all South Asian countries. Last but not the least, the capital of Canada is Ottawa. Many people confuse it with Toronto. However, the correct option is Ottawa. Here, I will say that they've given the comprehensive question touching the area of sports, politics, current situation, and the general information like currency and capital. If you want to qualify any test, general test, or any other type of papers like this, like a css papers, you must practice questions like MCQs from comprehensive overview. Okay, thank you so much. If you want to join the session, you may contact on this given number. Thank you so much. God bless you.